Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the TPlayer app and the most updated version that is of that TPlayer app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, if that's what you're looking for, this video is for you. We're doing this in two steps. The first step is that we're going to enable developers options. This is for one simple purpose: to ensure that apps can be downloaded and installed from unknown sources, or unknown apps can be downloaded and installed on Google TV. When that is done, we'll be using the unlinked application to download and install the TPlayer app, and that will be the end of the video. So follow me, and I'm going to get the TPlayer app downloaded and installed step by step. So head over to quick settings and then all settings for step 1. Navigate down to system and you're going to find about. Click on about and scroll down till you find the build number. So here's the build number. You need to click on this number 7 times. So go ahead and click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now that you have clicked 7 times, you are a developer. So if you have become a developer, you will see that notification on your screen, and that's all you need to be able to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. So go out and head over to the dashboard. From dashboard, you're going to be going to your app drawer, and I need you to click on download the unlinked app to get in. If you do not have the unlinked app already, check the link in the description below. I have a tutorial showing you how to download and install that app on Google TV. Click on the app when you have it. Add the library everything, so EVERYTHING, all capital letters, no spaces. That's the library. Click on that library and navigate down to find media players. Under media players, item 11, you're going to just navigate. When you find TPlayer, so this is a TPlayer app right here. Click on the TPlayer app. Click on the download button that shows up. In my case, I've already downloaded the app, so you find install app. When the download is complete, you find the same install app. Click on it, and if this is your first time, you find a message saying grants permission to unlinked or grants permission, or install apps from unknown sources or unknown app. All those mean the same thing. What you need to do is simply navigate down that list, and you're going to find the unlinked app. Toggle it on to give it privileges, allowing you to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. After that, exit that page and click on install, just like I've done. And in a couple of seconds, you have that application available in your app drawer. So I'm waiting for a couple of seconds, and I'm going to go back to my app drawer. And right there, I have the TPlayer application downloaded and installed, ready for use. If you found that insightful, if you're successful as well, just like I was, you can launch the app and enjoy it. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel before you go. Hit that bell icon to see the latest videos, tips from us, and like the video. If you do that, I will definitely see you in the next video with more value, just like this.